If you are looking for the best new Rolex watches based on specifications, you're in the right place. All watches buying links were given in the video description. Number 8. Rolex Daytona White Gold Black Rubber Bracelet 116-519 LN. Crown, screw down. Bezel ceramic. Movement automatic. Case back solid. Material white gold. Case size 40 mm. Case shape round. Dial type analog. Dial color meteorite. Band material rubber. Clasp folding Oyster lock safety. Water resistance 100 meters or 330 feet. Number 7. Rolex Explorer REF 124273-0001. Pre-owned Rolex Explorer 124273 self-winding automatic watch. Features a 36mm stainless steel case with an 18-karat yellow gold bezel surrounding a black dial on a stainless steel Oyster bracelet with folding buckle. Functions include hours, minutes, and seconds. Style, casual. Dress, sport. Resistance, 100 meters. Manufactured in Switzerland. Movement, automatic. Complications, time only. Trap or bracelet material, two-tone, yellow and stainless. Number 6. Rolex GMT-Master II, reference number 126720, VTNR. Movement, automatic. Case material, steel. Bracelet material, steel. Gender, men's watch or unisex. Weight, 4.5 ounces. Case, 40 mm diameter by 12 mm height. 48 mm lug to lug. Oyster steel 904L case. Brushed with polished sides. With integral crown guard. Notched Oyster steel bezel. Bidirectional. 24 clicks. 24-hour green-black cyberchrome insert. Recessed numerals and graduations coated with platinum PVD. Sapphire crystal. Anti-reflective coating. Cyclops lens over the date. Trip lock screw-down crown. Solid steel screwed. Case back. 100-meter water resistant. Dial, black lacquer. Glossy finish. Applied hour markers and hands in 18-karat white gold. Number 5. New Rolex Air-King 126900. Diameter 40 mm. Water resistance 100 meters. Material Oyster steel. With its 40 mm case in Oyster steel, solid link Oyster bracelet, and distinctive black dial, the Air-King perpetuates the aeronautical heritage of the original Rolex Oyster. The new generation Air-King is equipped with caliber 3230, a movement entirely developed. At the forefront of watchmaking technology, this self-winding mechanical movement led to the filling of several patents and offers outstanding performance in terms of precision. Number 4. Rolex Datejust 31 white gold steel bezel Oyster bracelet 278-38-4 RBR. Crown, screw down. Bezel set with diamonds. Movement, automatic. Case back solid. Material, steel white gold diamonds. Case size, 31 mm. Case shape, round. Dial type, analog. Date, AT 3 o'clock. Dial color, blue. Dial markers, diamond. Hands, white gold. Band material, stainless steel. Clasp, folding Oyster clasp. Bracelet, Oyster. Bracelet type, heavy, new style. Watch style, dress watch. Water resistance, 100 meters or 330 feet. Number 3. Rolex Day-Date 40 Platinum Ice Blue 228-236. Crown, screw down. Bezel, platinum fluted. Movement automatic. Case back solid. Material, platinum. Case size, 40 mm. Case type, super case. Case shape, round. Dial type analog. Date, AT 3 o'clock. Dial color ice blue. Dial markers diamond. Band material platinum. Clasp concealed folding crown clasp. Bracelet president. Watch style dress watch. Gender men's. Complication date day-date. Water resistance 100 meters or 330 feet. Number 2. Rolex Yacht-Master 42 yellow gold. 2266/58. Crown screw down. Caliber 32-35. Movement automatic. Case back solid. Material yellow gold. Case size 42 millimeters. Case type super case. Case shape round. Dial type analog. Date AT3 o'clock. Dial color black. Dial markers luminous. Hands luminous. Bracelet band material rubber. Clasp folding Oyster lock safety. Bracelet Oyster's flex. Watch style sports watch. Gender men's. Country of manufacture Switzerland. Water resistance 100 meters or 330 feet. Number 1. Rolex Submariner date stainless bracelet. 1266-10 LN. Crown screw down. Bezel ceramic. Movement automatic. Case back solid. Material steel PVD DLC. Case size 41 millimeters. Case type super case. Case shape round. Dial type analog. Date AT3 o'clock. Dial color black. Dial markers luminous. Hands luminous. Bracelet band material stainless steel PVD DLC. Clasp folding Oyster lock safety. Bracelet Oyster. Bracelet type heavy. New style. Additional info watch style sports watch. Gender men's. Water resistance 300 meters or 1,000 feet.